Hello engineers and future engineers. Welcome back to ACP Civil Hub. In today's video, we will understand one of the most important topics in steel structure detailing: shear connections and moment connections. Many engineers and detailers know these terms, but often get confused about where they are used, how they behave, and why they are selected in different types of structures. In this video, we will compare both connection types in a simple and practical way. So let's get started. What is a shear connection? A shear connection is a steel connection designed primarily to transfer shear forces between structural members. In this type of connection, the beam is connected to the column using elements such as fin plates, angle cleats, or shear tabs. The connection allows rotation at the joint while safely transferring vertical loads. Because bending moments are not transferred significantly, shear connections are simpler, economical, and easier to fabricate. These connections are commonly used in PEB buildings, warehouses, industrial sheds, and gravity load structures. What is a moment connection? A moment connection is a rigid steel connection designed to transfer both shear forces and bending moments between structural members. Unlike a shear connection, a moment connection restricts rotation at the joint and helps maintain the angle between the beam and column under loading. These connections provide structural rigidity and help resist lateral loads such as wind and earthquake forces. Common examples include end plate connections, welded flange connections, and rigid beam-to-column connections. Because moment connections transfer bending forces, they require stronger detailing, additional fabrication, and careful design. There are several types of shear and moment connections used in steel structures. Common shear connections include fin plate connections, angle cleat connections, and shear tab connections. These are mainly used when rotation is permitted and only shear forces need to be transferred. Common moment connections include end plate moment connections, welded flange connections, and rigid beam-to-column connections. The choice of connection depends on structural behavior, load requirements, fabrication methods, and project specifications. Selecting the correct connection type is essential for both safety and economy. Shear connections offer several practical advantages. They are simple to design, easy to fabricate, and require less material compared to rigid connections. Because rotation is allowed, these connections can accommodate normal structural movements without creating large bending stresses. Shear connections are generally more economical and faster to install on site. For this reason, they are widely used in PEB structures, warehouses, industrial buildings, and other gravity load systems. Their simplicity makes them one of the most commonly used connection types in steel construction. Moment connections provide greater structural rigidity and stability, since they transfer both shear forces and bending moments. They create strong frame action between structural members. These connections help buildings resist lateral forces caused by wind and earthquakes. Moment connections are especially useful in multi-story buildings, commercial structures, and seismic zones. Although they require more fabrication and detailing effort, they provide improved overall structural performance. When higher strength and stability are required, moment connections become the preferred solution. Where are these connections commonly used? Shear connections are typically used in PEB buildings, warehouses, industrial sheds, and simple steel frames where gravity loads are the primary concern. Moment connections are commonly used in multi-story buildings, commercial structures, seismic-resistant frames, and projects requiring higher lateral load resistance. The selection of a connection depends on structural requirements, wind loads, earthquake loads, economy, and desired structural behavior. Engineers choose the connection type that best satisfies the performance requirements of the project. Now let's compare both connection types. A shear connection transfers shear force only, while a moment connection transfers both shear force and bending moment. A shear connection allows rotation at the joint, whereas a moment connection restricts rotation. Shear connections provide flexible behavior and lower construction costs. Moment connections provide rigid behavior and improved structural performance. Shear connections generally require simpler detailing and faster erection. Moment connections involve more fabrication work, but offer greater stability and strength. The final selection always depends on project requirements and structural design objectives. Let's summarize what we learned today. Shear connections and moment connections are both essential components of steel structures, but they serve different purposes. Shear connections are economical, flexible, and primarily transfer shear forces while allowing rotation. Moment connections transfer both shear forces and bending moments, creating rigid frame action and improving resistance against lateral loads. Understanding the difference between these connection types helps engineers select the most suitable connection for safety, economy, and structural performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe to ACP Civil Hub. See you in the next engineering tutorial.